Hey, good morning everybody. It is Monday morning. We're on our second full day here in Cancun, and it looks like the skies decided to open up overnight, and it's pretty wet out there this morning, so we're probably not going to be headed down to the pool this morning anyway. The one main benefit of the rain is all the chairs are free, but nobody wants to sit in them because the toppers on them are all soaking wet, so it'll take a while for those to dry out before we head down. Okay, so the rain is cleared. It's dried up pretty well. It's still pretty cloudy out, so it looks like it could rain at some point. You never really know, but we're gonna go hang out in the pool. Like the clouds and the rain scared pretty much everybody away. People up here obviously sitting on chairs, but I'd rather be in the pool than on a chair when it's rain, I guess. Coca-Cola. It is really raining now, and everybody is scattering from the pool. The rain has scattered pretty much everybody from the pool. There's still a few people left here, but not very many. I'm gonna get back in. So the rain has stopped. Now the other thing about rain, the pool, is the pool's wet, it's full of water. When it starts raining, everybody empties out of the pool. Even I got out. It doesn't make a lot of sense, since you're already wet. And I'm heading over here, going under the bridge. I'm going to head back up to the room for a short. It's just not a great day. It's just not a great day to be hanging around outside. It is really coming down. I'm just going to wait. I don't know if I can wait for a lull in the rain so we can get up to the room. That's kind of the plan, but I don't know that it's going to work. It's like a monsoon and there's no end in sight. So, let's go for it. Here we go. No, we have to wait for it to slow down a little bit. I don't know that it's going to. The rain is so heavy that it's like an inch deep just sitting on the ground. So we decided to get in the pool because the pool is actually warmer than sitting outside. The wind makes it cold, there's no lightning, at least they haven't closed the pools, so we're going to hang out in the pool. We're going to be wet either way, so it don't matter where we are. We have discovered it's actually warmer to stay under the water than above the water because the rain, the wind, is cold. But under the water, it's actually kind of warm.
Hot tub would be good.
Hot tub, yeah, hot tub would be great. Get in the hot tub. Oh, you can get in the hot tub pretty easy. You just have to get out and back in. Yeah, having a good time?
Oh yeah.
We're having a great time.
For all those people who had snow in Ohio, we felt sorry for.
You can feel sorry for us.
Sorry for us.
Yeah, feel
We're
sorry.
in a monsoon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We have 10 inches of snow at home, but it's not as bad as this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right?
Because we have no way to get to the room in the rain. Like, how are we even going to get to our room? It's a long way outside.
Our room is way up there. Way up there. So there's nobody else in the pool.
Let's leave your rest.
Yeah, the pool. Yeah, right.
Because to walk all the way in the pool, right?
Yeah. We are the only fools in the pool. Hey, they're coming by. Only fools in the pool. We're heading to the hot tub because, you know, the hot tub will be warmer than here. We are the sole survivors in the hot tub.
Yeah.
No one is left. Okay, so we've made it back up from the pool. So we actually were in the pool for a long time. We talked to another couple in the pool. There were also Vistana owners, so that was kind of what we did. It was rained the whole time. I'm not really naked. I just don't have a shirt on. So, I hope I'm not really naked. Maybe I am and you just don't know it. We endured the rain. Well, there was pretty much nobody else out there. There's only like a few other people in the pool, and I'm sure we outlasted many others. So we're going to both take a shower. I think actually Missy's in the shower right now. I'm going to take a shower when she's done, and we're going to head across the street. We think we're going to go to a pizzeria for dinner. So it's an Italian restaurant. It's kind of more of a casual place. A lot more casual than La Madonna the other night, even though it's casual, but this is very casual. It's outdoors. It's on the waterfront, but I'm sure it'll be dark by the time we get over there. So there's no sunset to see tonight. Nothing really. It's just a lot of rain. So we're going to head over there for dinner here shortly. Okay, so the rains have set in again. I'm not sure if we'll be going across the street. We'll have to see. The rains have really picked up. There's water on the ground here. I'm actually in a covered area. But there's lots of water on the, well, not lots of water. The ground is wet. I'm not sure if we're going to be making it across the street or not for dinner tonight. It was kind of what was in the plan. Look to see, man, the rain just does not want to let up. Look at it out there. I don't know if you can see very well. Out there, but there's a lot of rain. Let me step back from that. Given the weather situation this evening, I went ahead and called down to Oceano, and I went ahead and booked the Mexican Fiesta buffet. So we're going there for dinner this evening. It definitely wasn't our first choice since we've done it several times, but 700 pesos per person just for the meal and the show. So it's about $35, $38 per person US. So it's kind of pricey, but it beats walking in this rain. It beats walking in the rain. It's not quite like the song, Singing in the Rain. Nothing like that at all. ended up getting 2 pork tacos and some type of, I don't know what it is. And then a pork stew. Looks yummy, doesn't it? Pork stew, chorizo potatoes, rice, and polo de mole. Basically, chicken mole. Let's see what it's like. I'm gonna try out one of these tacos. I'm not sure what this is though. This is something weird.
Taquito.
Not too bad. I wasn't sure you liked it, so I didn't get you one. But it's actually really good. You probably like it. You're up at the thing where the tacos are.
The bottled water is water with a cork in it. Yeah. I was like, it's bottled water? Mm-hmm.
You probably just pulled it out of a tap.
Yeah, no.
Rice. Oh yeah. It's not dry. Chorizo potatoes. It tastes like potatoes. So the pork tacos aren't too bad. You can pick your own salsas to put on them. This called. That's a real long name.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon and
Crispy thing. I don't know.
it's a chocolate cake, and I got some. They call this a soft candy treat. I'm not exactly sure what that is. We'll see how it is.
I actually remember multiple songs that were. Oh my god.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
I was like that guy on the show.
So you doing?
Very crumbly. So we're back from our wonderful, delicious Mexican fiesta buffet.
It was crappy.
It wasn't that good. We do this every time.
We've done this like 4
We've
times.
been every time we come to Lagunamar, we make the mistake of going to the Mexican fiesta buffet. And today we only did it.
More expensive.
Today we only did it mainly because it was raining. If it hadn't been raining and pouring when we were getting ready to go for dinner, we wouldn't have gone there at all. But now we learned it's worth going through the rain to get to something else.
Yeah.
It's just not very good. There was a few things on the menu or a few things on the buffet that were okay. Tacos were alright, but
No.
Missy didn't like the tacos.
I
I liked it.
anything.
Missy didn't like anything.
The water was okay.
The water was okay. The rebottled
The rebottled water on the tap.
The tap water that they charge us $6 for 750 milliliter bottle of tap water. So we're gonna be going to bed here shortly. It's only about 9:30, so we may sit up and read a little bit or watch some videos. But other than that, we're gonna go to bed. And tomorrow's just as long as it's not raining, we'll be going to the pool again. That's the plan. See you tomorrow.
I feel